Hi everyone, I am David Phan. I am 36 years old and I am getting my degree in computer science. So this is my Teach Back video project for Comp Sci 2. I decided to use a topic called cars because I love cars. And the first thing that I'm going to do with this application is I will request for the following. I'm going to request for the customer's name. I'm going to do a string get line customer name since I'm going to ask them to enter their first name and last name. This get line will pick up the white space in between, or if there's two words. The next thing I'm going to do is ask for the customer's age, and I'm going to make that a integer customer age because integer is numbers, whole numbers, and I only want them to enter whole numbers. Then I'm going to ask the customer for their car brand, so I'm going to do a string get brand. I decided to do a get line is because of cars like Alfa Romeo has two names. I'm going to request the customer car year and the car model. The car year will be a integer because I want a whole number, and the string I will do a get line as well, just because it might be for example, a Yukon Denali XL. So that's one of the models out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a class um, called car info. Uh, and I'm going to create functions, and I'm going to create a main CCP file, a H file, and another CPP file. So I'm going to have the main have a function that goes to the H file. The H file will hold my class and my function, and then it will call to another CCP file, so it will look a lot clean. So I went ahead and used online GBD, which is one of my favorite tools using. I like it a lot. This is for anybody. If you want to download the file, you can just easily click download and send it to somebody. All right. So you see here, I went ahead and created a main.cpp file, and I created a class in my customer car information.h file, and I went ahead and created a class called car info. I made the username and age private because I don't want to share that to the public, and everything else is public. Is the car brand, car model, car year, and the answer. I totally forgot about the answer. Okay, and then I'll tell you why. And then we're going to have a void functions, and then it's going to call over to our next CPP file, and it will run these two functions here, which is the customer information and show customer information. All right, so let's go ahead and so first thing is we're going to call for the class, which is called car info, and here's your car info, and I made it give it a little abbreviation called CI, um, and once it knows about that class, we're going to go over to line 11. Line 11 is going to run, and it's called customer information because it's going to request for the customer's information. And we go to the .h file, you'll see the void here, and it's going to call to the CPP file, which is here, which is number 9, and it's going to do the following. It's going to ask first is, do you have a car? Yes or no. And we're going to have them answer yes or no. If it's a yes, I put a lowercase yes or uppercase yes. And then the customer will fill out all the information. If they put something else besides yes, it's just going to say, please have a nice day. Once we are done with this, we will go back over to the main CCP file, and we're going to execute line 13. Line 13 will come to the H file, and we will execute line 23. Then line 23 will be executed here on line 46. And when it runs this, it's going to see if there was a yes for the answer. If there was a yes from up here, then it's going to print out the information. If it's a no, it's not going to do nothing. All right, so let's go ahead and execute this. Let me bring this up here and let's hit run. All right, so do you have a car? Put yes, and it's going to run. I put a delay in there so it can be more dramatic. Let's go to put David Phan, which is my name, and it's going to ask for your age, which is 36 years old, and it's going to ask for your car brand, which is a BMW, and what's your car model, M3, and just put 2016, and there you go. It's going to print out your information. Perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and run it again with the no option. When you do no, it's just going to say, please have a nice day. Let's make it look a lot more cleaner. Here's the file right here. Just going to do that and that. Perfect. So it's trying to create a gap in between. Let's do that one more time and do no. There you go. Please have a nice day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just show you the basics of functions using the H files and another CSV file, calling for it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. A pretty simple video. Hope you guys enjoy it and like it. And looking forward for the next project. Thank you.